Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new here, Afro Caro Kitchen, you're most welcome to my daily routine dinner time. So today I'm having some fresh peas. I have here some carrots. I have some onion, tomatoes, and last but not least, guys, I have potato. These are big, two large potatoes which I have to cut to put in my peas. So welcome and keep watching as I prepare my Tuesday dinner. I have rice. I put in some carrots. I'm going to put it right now in the rice cooker. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving, and above all for subscribing for my channel. God bless all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and even you who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help it grow. I love you. God bless you. Thank you. Keep watching. So there I am with my water rice. I am going to add in some salt. It's right here. I'm going to add in some onion. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. So our oil is cooked. I have another system here for veggies. So I have to leave some onion. For the veggies are also ready. Those are here. Added salt. Salt helps tomatoes cook a little faster. Our tomatoes are ready. Add in some carrot. Add in some peas. Let it be mixed up. It will boil for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Don't want it to overcook. Yeah, so let me let it boil just a few minutes before I add in my potatoes. Here is also this one is cooked. Let me add up the greens in it. Here we are, guys, with our veggies. Add it in. Potatoes are ready. A little mix up. Have to let it boil so that the tomatoes, onion, salt goes in very well. Before I put in some Royco. Yeah, I'm not putting so much, just a little pinch of Royco, and that will do. So here, this one is boiling. You can see the color is so amazing. So that's when I will add in my potato. Let them boil together so that the other one doesn't cook more than the others. So it has to cook together. And that is it. I'm not putting too much water. So put the lid on. I put some little salt already. I wasn't able to show you in the camera, sorry. My greens are ready. So ready. So here I am sauce is ready. I'm gonna dish it out. The veggies are there, which is ready. The rice is also done. Guys, here we are. Our dinner is done for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Afro Carol Kitchen. If you are new, if you're old and my turning subscriber, you are welcome. God bless you. I wish you a good night.